In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SmartFill in Google Sheets. If you're familiar with Excel's flash fill, this is a similar feature that helps streamline your data entry tasks. SmartFill is a powerful tool that recognizes patterns in the data you input and automatically suggests ways to complete it for you. This not only saves time, but also enhances the efficiency of your spreadsheet tasks. Let's dive into how you can make the most of this feature. First things first, we need to ensure that SmartFill is enabled in your Google Sheets. To do this, click on Tools in the menu bar, then hover over Suggestion Controls. From here, you want to make sure that Enable Enhanced SmartFill Suggestions and Enable Autocomplete are both checked. This setup ensures that you're allowing Google Sheets to provide the full range of automatic suggestions as you enter data. With SmartFill enabled, you might be wondering how it knows when to step in. The beauty of this feature is that it operates automatically. You don't have to manually activate it each time. Instead, it kicks in as soon as it detects a pattern in your data entry. Let's explore this with a practical example. Imagine you have a column filled with full names, and your goal is to split them into first and last names in separate columns. Start by typing the first names into the column next to the full names. As you continue to type and the pattern becomes clear, you'll begin to notice that SmartFill suggests completing the task for you. You'll recognize a light grey text in the cells, indicating the suggested continuation. When this happens, simply click on the check mark that appears to confirm the suggestion, and voila, your task is completed in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Beyond just filling in the data, clicking on the cell where SmartFill made its suggestion will reveal the formula that Google Sheets automatically generated to meet your specific needs. This can be particularly useful if you want to understand the logic behind the completion, or if you wish to apply similar logic in other areas of your spreadsheet. And there you have it. SmartFill can make managing your data in Google Sheets not only faster, but also significantly easier. It's a perfect example of how automation can simplify repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus more on analyzing and using your data rather than entering it. So, don't forget to make sure SmartFill is turned on whenever you're managing large sets of data, or notice a repetitive pattern that could be automated. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this makes your Google Sheets experience a whole lot smoother.